Hey guys, it's me, Jessica DeLeon, and welcome back to my channel. So if you recognize what I'm wearing in the jewelry, because I'm filming a couple videos today, okay? So yes, same shirt, same jewelry, sorry. In this video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be not necessarily unboxing, because I already tried to do this unboxing before and it didn't work out, so the box is gone. This is more like me just showing you some shoes that I got and trying them on for you guys. Recently, I went on the Kids Foot Locker website and I saw the Vans old school Stackform. I didn't realize that Vans made a thicker version of the platforms. Like, I know they have their regular version, and then they have a platform version, and then they have what they call the Stackforms, which are like almost 2 inches thick. And so I was like, what? Because I am a platform freak, fanatic, whatever you want to call me. So I found these for my daughter, and I was shocked by how cheap they were. They're normally $75, but these were like only $39.99, I think. That's a deal. But you can only get them on the kids site. And the way that Vans sizes their shoes is it'll be like a men's 6, a women's 8. When you're looking at it, you have to make sure that you're getting your correct size. A women's 8, not a men's 8. Just be careful, because I made that mistake in ordering the wrong size, thinking I was ordering a size 8 women's. It was a size 8 men's, but actually it was a size 10 women's. Just an FYI, when you're ordering these shoes, just to pay attention to that when you're selecting the shoe size. Now, at the time of this filming, I am not sure whether or not they're still having the $39.99 deal on these. Go check out the Kids Foot Locker website. Let's get on to me showing you the shoes. Okay, guys, here they are. Super cute. I love these. My daughter, she's already tore hers all the way up. They got holes in them and everything. She was playing in hers. And they were so cheap. I asked her, I was like, do you want a new pair? I was like, they're only $29.99 or $39.99. So we just get you another pair. She was like, yeah, I like them. Go ahead and just order me another one for $40. I was like, okay. So I still haven't worn mine yet. As you can tell, I can't wait. It's been rainy here, so it's been muddy, so I really don't want to obviously wear suede in the rain and in mud. So I'm gonna wait until the weather's a little bit better, and I'm gonna bust these bad boys out. These do have some suede on them here in the toe and in the back, but here is canvas. Here's more suede here along the eyelet and the where the laces are. And here's the inside. And here's the tongue. So mine is a US men's 6.5. So I said 6 earlier. 6.5 is a women's 8. I haven't hardly seen anybody wearing the Stackforms, so it's a pretty unique shoe. Maybe not where you guys live. Where I live, it is. I don't know about where you guys live. Maybe you guys see this shoe a lot, but I have not seen it a lot. I haven't even seen it on YouTube really anywhere, which is why I wanted to show you guys the shoe and how cheap they were. And maybe still are. Like, I just feel like I had to share that with you guys. So, yeah. Super cute. I'm going to go ahead and put these on and show you what they look like on. on. Super, super cute. Absolutely love these tennis shoes. These are the shoes, guys. Super cute. Love them. And if you guys liked the socks, you can get those at the Vans store. They were like $8. If you guys like this little unboxing and try of these Vans old school Stackforms, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video coming up very soon. Okay, love y'all. Mwah.